Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today on Glowforge to the Point series, we are going to be going over quickly on how you can create a design for your Glowforge. Today we're going to just be making a simple keychain. It's going to be a round keychain. And I'm going to be using Illustrator. If you're using Inkscape or a different third-party application, this may be different for you. So let's go ahead and get started. On the left hand side, these are going to be all your different tools in Illustrator. You'll learn these along the way. Today we're going to be covering the Shapes tool. This is going to be something that you're going to be using pretty often. So you're going to select this little area here. You can click and hold down to get different shapes. We're going to be using the ellipse tool or your circle tool today. What we're going to do is you can either click, hold, and drag, and you can make it whatever shape you want. If you want an oval like this or a circle, you can hold down shift while you drag to make it a circle. So we're going to just make it a circle. We're going to go like right there just to show you that. Now if you want to be more precise about it, you can just click once instead of dragging it, and then it'll let you actually type out what you want. So for example, we're just going to do a 2" by 2" circle. Click OK. I'm going to go ahead and delete this other one by clicking my selection tool up here first and then highlighting and clicking delete on the keyboard. And then what we're going to do is we're going to click that same circular tool there, and we're going to click, hold, and drag and hold shift to make sure it's a circle. And we're just going to get about the circle size that we want for the hole for the keychain. There we go. So that is pretty much it right there. As you can see, it's not aligned currently. So I'm going to quickly go over the align tool in this video as well. So if you highlight everything by click, hold, and drag, you can make sure you have your align tab over here. If you don't have your align tab over here, you can get it from clicking window up top and then clicking align right there. And then you'll get that align tab to pop up. So what you want to do after everything's highlighted, we're going to just horizontally align this to center, just like that. And as you can see, it's shifted to center, and we now have our keychain. I'll go more in depth on the quicker videos as well. I just want to do each section one by one in the Glowforge to the Point series here. That is basically going to be a nice little tiny keychain starter that you can start out with. And then you can add some text if you want to by clicking your text tool and typing in there. We're just going to put hey. There we go. And then if you want to, you can click, hold, and drag and drop it anywhere you want. And you can resize it with this here to any size that you want. We'll just go with like 48, for example. And then one thing that you want to do for Glowforge, because Glowforge can't read plain text by itself, usually, you'll want to change this to an actual vector file. So to do that, you'll just go up to type, and then you'll click create outlines. And then that's all you need to do for this type of text. If you do cursive text, however, you'll want to open up your Pathfinder tool. You can either get it from the side here if you have it, or window and Pathfinder, and you can get it there as well. And then you'll want to unite your text if it is cursive. And we'll go a little bit more in depth on why you want to do that later as well. So that's pretty much it. So now that we have everything saved as an actual vector file here, we can go ahead and save it. I'm just going to center that up really quick. So I'm going to go ahead and click File and then Save As, and we're going to just name this Hey Keychain. And then we're going to just hit, we're going to change this to an SVG file. We're going to hit Save. And then you may want to take a screenshot of this. This is exactly how you want to save your files. Make sure you have all of these functions selected, exactly how I have it selected here. And definitely ensure that you don't have responsive checked, or else your file will scale up and down when you import it into Glowforge. So go ahead and click OK, and that's it. You now have the file saved, and you can check out the previous video of how to upload it there. In the next video, we're going to go ahead and go over settings and how to get your first cut out.